Hi everyone, here we have some dates in text format. You can see all the values are left aligned. We will see how we can convert all those into the corresponding date values. So in our previous two videos, we have seen using date value and value functions and also which contain some custom delimiters into the corresponding date values. But in this example, these text dates are in some complex format. You can see it contains day name, comma, day number, then month full name, and then year. So for such kind of complex date values, we can't use previous two methods. So for this, we will use the text to columns method. Let's go to the data tab, and here we have text to columns. It says split a single column of text into multiple columns. So here, because our text date contains multiple parts with different delimiters, so we need to separate this using text to columns. So first select this column, click on text to columns, delimited is selected, click on next, and here we need to select our delimiters. So uncheck this tab and select comma and space. Then next, now under the data preview, we can see all these elements are separated into different columns, and here under column data format, make sure it is general. Here also we have an option, do not import column. So in our case, we can skip this day names. So select this column and select do not import column. Now you can see this column is skipped. The third thing is destination. So basically after splitting, from where it will start. So here we have an extra blank row, the first one. So let's select the destination as D2. So first remove this and select D2 and click finish. So you can see all these three elements except this day name are splitted into three different columns. Now we need to combine these three elements to form a single date. So for that, we'll use the date function. Equal to date, the first argument is here, this cell, comma, then month, comma, the day, close the bracket and press enter. It is giving the error because here month should be a number, but in our case it's a text. So for this month, we have to use another function, the month function. Here month bracket starts, and here because the argument should be a serial number, we have to write in this way 1 ampersand the cell name, close the bracket, enter, and we can see it is converted into the corresponding date value. Let's expand this, and you can see it is right aligned. We already know date values are right aligned by default. Let's check the formula again. Equal to date F3, that is here, comma, month function, 1 ampersand and the cell which contains the month, comma, day. Now let's apply this across all these records. We can format it as well in this manner. So let's select this column, press Ctrl 1, go to custom, and here we'll give the format 4 times D, comma, space, DD, space, 4 times M, space, 4 times Y, and click on OK. And now we can see all these dates are in this manner. If you want to verify or perform some operation, let's say equal to this date plus 1, enter, it shows Saturday 10th December 2022, like that for rest of the records. So like that, using text to columns, all these complex text dates have been converted into the corresponding date values, and also we have verified by performing some date operations. We can also use text to columns for the simpler text dates like this one. Select this, Ctrl Shift down, click on text to columns, delimited, next. Here we don't need to select anything, click on next, and here we need to select date, and in this drop down we need to select which date format these text dates contain. In our case, it is day, month, year. So we will select DMY, and in the destination we will give this cell, that is F3, and now we are good to go. Click on finish. All these are converted into corresponding date values and all are right aligned. We can change it to the long date format. Go to home tab, select long date, and now we can see it is the same as this. So in this example, you can see it contains some functions and formula. So if you don't want to go for the formula approach, you can use text to columns, and you can very easily convert your text into date values. So I hope you find this video useful. If you like, click on the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. You can see more date related videos in this playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in some more date related videos.